You're up.
Project number 3.
Real quick, though.
Yeah, introduce me or something.
The next project was done by Victoria, so I'll let her take over to explain.
We planned to surprise my brother for his birthday this year, so I wanted to make him a very special loaf of bread as a gift. He was having a unicorn-themed party, so I wanted to make him a unicorn bread. Here I used Josh Weissman's sourdough recipe with a few alterations. Primarily that it was split into 4 different sections to make different colors and then swirled together at the end, so that they didn't get muddy. The vast majority of the work is done the day before, with the mixing, kneading, shaping, all being done, left to proof overnight. The morning before our flight, we had to get up and bake the bread.
This is a very embarrassing video. I tried so hard, Victoria. I tried so hard.
It's like in Bully and Dynamite when the guy's like, try and tear that Tupperware.
Try.
He's like, I can't do it. The wife is like, I want that boat. It took a lot of trial and error to figure out how to marble the colors just the right amount, without compromising the internal structure of the bread. Each test loaf was roughly a full day's worth of work, and we tested the recipe about 5 times. My hands were stained purple and blue for at least a week. Not really. Oh, with edible glitter painted on the outside. We love luster dust. I'm not entirely happy with the end result, but I don't know that I'm going to try and make another loaf of colored sourdough anytime soon. I don't know. Do you have any more questions for me?
I just think it's very cool and spent so many hours on it, and I think it turned out cool.
It was fine.